So you have Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, at the age of 40, known for no literary skills, in fact known to be illiterate, couldn't read or write. The first book in the Arabic language becomes the Quran. The chapters, 114 chapters, are revealed over 23 years, many of them consequential to events happening or questions being asked. The order of those chapters is not revealed in order, basically. So it's not chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. You have different chapters being revealed simultaneously, and even the verses within the chapters are not in order. So an event might happen, and the Prophet, peace be upon him, would say the verses that were revealed, and then he would say this pertains to such and such chapter. It goes after those verses and before those verses. So over 23 years, you have over 6,000 verses, the whole book revealed, no editorial process. So there's no checking, there's no counting going on here. And the book is complete after 23 years, yet it's not compiled in his own lifetime. It's all just down to memory of the people.